Moon Valley Nursery recommends that you should fertilize your lawn with Moon Royal Fertilizer every 3 weeks for a healthier, greener looking lawn. Our fertilizer is time-released with micronutrients, so every time your lawn sprinklers water, it's activated. Be sure to check your irrigation clock. Make sure it is set for summer watering and not winter. Change your battery for the memory in your irrigation clock. It's simple and saves your landscape if a power failure occurs. Use Moon Dust every 4 weeks from March through September for optimum plant growth and healthier looking plants. Along with fertilizing your shrubbery and trees, don't forget your palm trees. Moon Dust and Palm Supplement for all your palm trees, including queen and pygmy palms. Now is a great time to plant trees from Moon Valley Nursery. You'll get better growth and stronger roots due to our warmer weather. Your trees will grow and flourish. We recommend on newly planted trees and citrus that you wrap the trunks to prevent sun scorching and help insulate your new tree through its first summer. Double staking is also recommended, keeping your tree protected from wind damage from monsoon weather and keeps the tree growing straight and healthy. Use Moon Valley Nursery Premium Mulch in all new plantings along with our famous Moon Juice, which encourages new rooting and water absorption. And lastly, make sure you have a good deep water retention basin to hold back the water and allow for good deep water absorption for your newly planted tree. Visit Moon Valley at any of our convenient 8 Valley locations or call 602-938-6666 for helpful advice. Visit our website at moonvalleynursery.com for advice, package specials, and money-saving coupons all summer long.